This is EJV11 television, serving the Roslyn, Potato City, and Cadland areas. Regular programming has been suspended. This is EJV11 television, serving the Roslyn, Potato City, and Cadland areas. Regular programming has been suspended. This is an emergency message from EJV11 and the Jan Visi government. Please pay attention now. We have just received word that one of Jan Visi's allies, Unikaton, has had its nukes hacked by 2 armed men. Evacuations are taking place in Potato City, Carrot City, Tinport, Kazonia, and Normandy. If you are not in any of these cities, please stay in your home, as going outside may put your life at risk. Major roads and transit systems have been closed and ceased. If you are still on a train or bus, they will stop at the next station and cease. Collect water now. Water services will be disconnected to prevent the water from being contaminated. Telephone lines will also be disconnected. If you want to contact someone you love, contact them via SMS messages. We are now confirming where the missiles will hit. They are Davis, Normandy, Tinpier, Carrot City, Potato City, Tinport, Kazonia, Potato Bay, and Vivendi. If you are within a 20-mile radius of any of these cities, take shelter now. If you are in a car, take shelter in a building. You should begin making your shelter bunker now. After the nukes hit, the president will make